I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 2. That is the most important and the special thing in our life, because of the which we can eat, because of which we can see, because of which we can walk, because of which we can eat. That is my body. Your body has different parts. They helps you to move, they helps you to walk, they helps you to see, they helps you to hear. So in this chapter we are going to study about the different parts of our body. So let's begin with this interesting lesson. Here, first, in this chapter, we are going to study about the parts of our body. What are the parts of our body? Like our hands, our eyes, our ears, our nose, our legs, our stomach, our brain. These all are your parts of your body, and there are many parts other. So then we are going to study about the number of body parts. How many body parts do we have? Like we have two eyes, we have two ears, we have one nose, and like this many other parts also. Then we are going to study about the different my body parts. Here in this picture, dear sister, you should not read in dim light. It may harm your eyes. The brother is saying to her sister that you should not read, you should not do reading in the dim light because it affects your eyes. If you do reading in the dim light, this will harm your eyes. Then the girl says, the sister says, you're right, dear. We should take care of our body parts. Yes, we should take care of our parts because they are very much important to us. After all, they are so important for us. Brother, can you identify your body parts? So here, the sister is saying from his brother that can you please identify your body parts? What are these called? Suppose these are your eyes like this. He has to identify his body parts. Now let's move to the next page. Now you have to identify your body parts first. Parts of our body. What are the parts of our body here? Our body has many parts. Yes, these are your parts of the body. Our body has many parts from which you walk, from which you see. Each part is important for us. Yes, every body part is so much important for us that it helps you to see, it helps you to learn, it helps you to think. See the given picture carefully and learn the names of different parts of our body shown. So here, what are these called? Which part is this? This is your head, in which we have brain. This is your, what are these? These are your hairs. It can be of any color, brown, black, or white also. What is this? What is this part called? This part is known as forehead. We call this as the forehead. And what are these called? These two buttons called? What are these two buttons called? They are known as eye. Then what is this called? From which you breathe. This is known as nose, from which you smell. And what are this part called? We have two ears from which we hear. Then what are these called? These brushy red cheeks. These are known as cheeks. And what is this part known as? From which you bite. These are known as your teeth. We have 32 teeth. Then what are this called? These are known as our lips. And what is this called from which we eat? This is known as our mouth. And what is this called? What is this part known as? This is known as our chin. Then what is this part known as? This part is known as our neck, from which, with the help of which, we move our head around. Now, what is this part known as? These are our shoulders. Then, what are this? What is this? This is the arm. And what is this part known as? This part is known as our palm, from which we hold the things. And what is this part known as? This part is known as our chest, in which we have lungs. And what is this part known as? This part is known as our elbow. And what is this part known as? In which we digest our food? This is our stomach. And what is this part known as? This is our wrist. With the help of which we move our hands. And what are these? We have 10 fingers in our hands. And what is this part known as? This is your knees, with the help of which you bend. And what is this part known as? These are your thighs above the knees. And what is this? These are your legs, and this is your ankle. What are the legs fingers called? They are known as toes. This is your toe, and this is your foot. So that's these are your body parts. I hope you have understand the explanation of your body parts. What is the name of your this part? Tell me fast. Tell me the answer. This is known as your yes, this is known as your palm. Now, every part of our body helps us in doing somewhat. Yes, every part is important for us. Each and every part helps us in doing different work, different exercise. We can run, we can jump, we can dance, and we can kick with our legs. Yes, our legs help us in doing many things. It helps us in walking, it helps us in jumping, running, walking, and kicking. Like here in this picture, you can see the boy is running with the help of his legs. In this picture, you can see the boy is jumping with the help of his legs. In this picture, you can see the girl is dancing with the help of her legs. In this picture, you can see the boy is kicking with the help of his legs. Yes, your leg helps us in doing many things. They help you in standing also. Now let's move to the another body part. Now let's talk about our hands, the important part. We can eat, we can brush, hold, pick, and wipe with our hands. Our hands help us in doing many things. We can pick, we can hold, we can write, we can eat, we can do many things with the help of our hands. We greet others and clap with our hands too. Yes, we greet like this. We clap with the hands, with our hands. Like in this picture, you can see the girl is eating shoes with the help of her hands. In this picture, you can see the boy is brushing his teeth with the help of his hands. In this picture, you can see the girl is holding the box with the help of her hands. In this picture, you can see the boy is picking up the pencil with the help of his hands. In this picture, you can see the girl is writing something with the help of her hands. Yes, like this, our hands help us in doing many things. Now, here we use both our hands and legs in doing some activities. So, we use both our hands and legs in doing many activities like in crawling. We use both our hands and legs like in marching, exercising, skipping, swimming. We use both the things, our hands also and our legs also. In this picture, in these pictures, you can see the baby is crawling with the help of its hands and legs. In this picture, you can see the soldiers are marching with the help of their hands and legs. In this picture, you can see the girl is exercising with the help of her hands and legs. In this picture, you can see the girl is skipping with the help of her hands and legs. And this picture, you can see the boy is swimming with while the taking help of his both hands and legs. Now, let's move to the next body parts. Here, we use our back and shoulders to push and carry things. Yes, we use our shoulders and back for pushing and carrying things. With the help of our shoulder, we carry things. The help of our shoulder, we push things. So, we speak with our mouth. Yes, our mouth helps us in speaking. Like I am speaking with the help of my mouth only. We bite and chew food with our teeth. Yes, we chew food with our white teeth. So we should maintain the health of our teeth. We should brush twice a day. So here you need to know So human teeth are just as strong as shark's teeth. Our teeth are so much strong. If we take care of them, they are as much as strong as the shark's teeth. Now let's move to the next page. Here, let's take your knowledge. Please answer the question. Which organs help us to write? With the help of which organ we write? Tell me the answer fast. Do we write with the help of our leg, hand, or mouth? Answer me fast. Yes, we write with the help of our hands. Correct. Now let's move to the next page. Now, number of body parts. How many body parts or numbers we have? Some body parts are 2 in number. Yes, some of the body parts of your body are 2 in number, like your eyes, your ears, your hands, your legs. Like you can see, eyes. We have 2 eyes. We have 2 ears. Listen, we have 2 hands. We have 2 legs to walk. And here, some body parts are 1 in number, like our nose, our chin, our forehead, our mouth, our heart, like our nose, our tongue. Our tongue is also 1 in number, our neck, our chin, and our mouth. These body parts are 1 in number. Some body parts are many in number. We have 10 fingers and 10 toes. Yes, we have 10 fingers and 10 toes. So there are many in number. Here are my body parts, which helps you in many things, which helps you in doing many things. Here, you should wake up early in the morning, which helps you in keeping healthy. So you should always wake up early in the morning, early to bed and early to rise keeps you healthy, wealthy, and wise. So here, you should brush your teeth in the morning and at night before you go to sleep. You should brush your teeth twice a day, in early in the morning and when you are going for sleeping. It removes all the germs from your teeth and keeps your teeth healthy. Here, after brushing your teeth, do exercises or yoga in the supervision of your parents or some elders. Yes, but after brushing your teeth in the morning, you should do your exercise with the supervision of your parents. Your parents should be there or any elder member should be there. Remember, you should not do any exercises or yoga just after eating something. Yes, if you will do so, you will get vomits. If you should do the exercise or yoga in empty stomach only. After eating, you should only just walk. You should take a bath daily with a good quality soap. Wipe your body dry with a clean towel. You should take good bath daily, which helps you in keeping healthy. Which helps you in keeping fresh. Which helps you in keeping your mind fresh. And your fresh mind helps you in doing good things. We should wipe your body dry with a clean towel. You should not use your dirty towels. It helps you in keeping your germs in your body if you use the dirty towel. So wear clean clothes and comb your hair every day. You should wear the clean clothes, which helps you in keeping fresh and gives you good smell. And you should comb your hairs every day, which helps you in looking good. So wash your hands many times a day. Yes, you should wash your hand many times a day, which helps in removing the germs from your hands. It saves us from many diseases because with the help of our hands, we eat the food. We should wash our hands before eating our meals. Yes, before eating our meals, we should wash our hands. After eating our meals, we should wash our hands. After using toilet, we should wash our hands. After coming back from market or any other place, we should wash our hands many times. So now let's move to the next page. Here, you should trim your nails regularly. Yes, your nails get bigger. You should trim your nails regularly, which helps you in keeping hygienic and looking good. You eat your food on time, eat healthy food, and drink clean water. You should have your food on time. You should eat healthy food. You should drink clean water, which helps you in keeping healthy. Let me answer this question. So, answer this question to me. How many legs does human body have? Tell me the answer. This is a very easy question. How many legs does a human body have? Yes, we have two legs. So we have two legs. So here is a diagram. You can see the eyes, lip, arm, leg, foot, head, ear, hand, nose, and mouth. Our body has many parts. So like this, our body has two legs. So that's all for this lesson. In this chapter, we have learned that we have two eyes, we have two ears, which helps us in hearing. We have two legs, which helps us in moving, walking, and doing exercises. With the help of our hands and legs, we do crawl. The baby crawls, the soldier march, the beast swim with the help of both. So our body parts help us in many ways. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you will keep your body healthy. You should take the bath daily. So that's all. See you in the next class.